How to earn money online in 2021 by Amazon CFD, 100% regulated. Invest in Amazon with just £250. Invest in Amazon stock CFD now. The world largest retailer, 82% lose money. Trading products, account types, payment methods. Read the facts. Make money home in 2021. Earn £431 a day online. This is the opportunity to be your own boss. Trade with Theo Markets. Save money on your trades. Sign up for a low-cost trading account. 64% of retail account lose money. Make good income from home. Amazon rewards for gamers. Play games and make good income from home. On the Gaming Rewards platform for gamers. 30 ways to make money online from home in 2021. ClickWorkers. ClickWorker is a service on the lookout for internet users around the world. 20 Cox. 20 Cox is a quick and easy way to make around £150 to £200 as a one-off. Number 3, Fiverr. 4, Match betting. Number 5, Print on demands. Number 6, Start a blog. 7, Affiliate marketing. Number 8, Create websites for others. As so on. 30 ways to make money online from home. How can I make money online in 2021? How can I make money in 2021? How can I make passive income online in 2021? How can I make money online in 2021 UK? 28 realistic way to make money online in 2021. Oberlu. Here are 28 ways how you can make money online from the comfort of your home. In this article, you will only find best freelancers website, what is the print on demand affiliate marketing, one product store, 11 ways to make money online in 2021, ranked Shopify, 11 best way to make money online, drop shipping, print on demand, custom products, sell on Etsy. How can I make $100 a day on the internet? How can I make money right now? How can I make money from home in 2021? 21 plus future ways to make money online fast 2021. Adam and Froy. Make money with your coding skills. Ways to earn money online with videos, VRs and drones. Become an app developer. How can I make money right now? How can I make real money online? 35 plus best ways to make money online updated in 2021. Ostinga. Maybe you want to create a separate stream of income to pay a few bills. 18 easy way to create passive income online in 2021. Scalio. Table of contents. Earn passive income over the internet. With these 18 ways, start making YouTube videos. How to make money in 2021. How to make money online in 2021. It is possible to make money online 2021. What are the best ways to make money 2021? How to make money online 2021. The top 10 best ways to make. So below are the best ways to make money online. Selling images, affiliate marketing, starting a blog. 11 ways and how to make money online in 2021. Earnings portal. How you can make money online in 2021. Match betting, virtual assistant, sell goods on eBay, casino offers, 44 ways to make money at home at any age or skill level in 2021. If you post photo frequently, you could earn more as your online portfolio grows. Time, low earning. How to make money online. 73 ways, real examples 2021. 73 legit ways you can earn money online in 2021. Nihal Doherty, founder and lead editor at eBiz Facts. Earn 12 to 24 pounds per hour jobs. Make money from home. Search thousands of work from home jobs. Work in your spare time. Apply online today. No experience required. Apply for high paying. Earn plus money plus online. Easy and simple process. We make it easy. with 100 and offers and simple step-by-step tutorial videos. Want to start match betting but don't know how? Rating for profitaccumulator.co.uk.